The Cross River government has introduced compulsory anti-drug clubs in both private and public schools across the state. The State Commissioner for Education, Dr. Stephen Odey, disclosed this in Calabar on Wednesday while briefing newsmen on reforms being introduced in the sector by the current administration. Odey explained that the essence of establishing the clubs was to combat rising drug use among students, noting that anti-drug clubs would monitor and report incidents, raise awareness, and work with authorities to enforce discipline. He said that the comprehensive package of education policy reforms was designed to standardize practices in public and private schools, safeguard pupils' welfare, and improve data management across the state. He added that as part of the reforms, measures have been put in place to check the rising cases of bullying among students. According to him, anti-bullying committees are now mandatory in all schools, and any student caught bullying will face instant expulsion to deter misconduct. The initiative aims to create a safer and more respectful learning environment. The Commissioner also said that the reforms beginning from the 2025-2026 academic session would ensure that all pupils and students from kindergarten to SS3 would be assigned a unique index number. He noted that the new system would improve data accuracy, prevent fraudulent transfers, and streamline admissions. Distribution of index numbers will begin in early 2026 once admission documentation is complete, he explained. He said that the state government had also banned graduation ceremonies for kindergarten, nursery, and non-exit classes as part of an effort to reduce unnecessary costs and burden on parents and guardians. He emphasized that graduation events were now reserved strictly for certificate classes such as Primary 6, JSS3, and SS3. Odey further said that it was only ministry-approved textbooks that would be permitted in schools. Publishers are prohibited from embedding workbooks that make textbooks non-transferable, ensuring uniformity, cost savings, and reuse among pupils, he said. He also said that as part of the reforms, the government had directed that classes end at 1 p.m. for primary and 2 p.m. for secondary schools. Compulsory after-school lessons are banned to prevent mental fatigue, physical stress, and additional financial burdens on parents. Extra lessons may only occur with parental consent, and the ministry will not be responsible for any issues arising outside the approved schedule, he said. The Commissioner expressed gratitude to the Governor for endorsing the reforms, describing them as a significant step toward achieving holistic, quality education for all Cross River children. The Commissioner encouraged parents and guardians to monitor these reforms and provide feedback to ensure the policies achieve their intended goals. These reforms are about safeguarding our children's future, improving standards, and making Cross River education system a model for others to follow. With the governor's support and the cooperation of all stakeholders, we are confident of achieving lasting change, he added. Nan.